I heard there's a bunch of cops and firefighters down here sharing their feelings and all this stuff.
Show me.
Yeah, the BS meter's going.
Yeah.
I've been a cop for almost 30 years. Yeah. I've been a chief for 5.5. I've been president and on the board for Cal Chiefs, and I've never heard of you
guys. Yeah.
And I'm 60 miles down the road. So believing that they're down there sharing their feelings to me was like, there is no way until you go down there and you see it. Everybody told me this place saved my life, saved my career, saved my marriage, saved my relationship with my kids, or any combination or all those things. And I'm nobody to these folks, right? They don't have any reason to tell me this stuff. So it's legit. And it completely changed my outlook. It's not a policy. It's not something written on the wall. It's not the cat poster that says hang in there. It's legitimate. It is people helping people survive a very difficult career. I only wish I knew all this when I was still working as a chief. Would I have done things differently? Absolutely. I think we did things well. We could have done so much better.